Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, my name is Vera, and in this channel I talk beauty, health, hygiene, lifestyle, hair, motherhood, just a little bit of everything. If you are a subscriber and have been watching my videos, you know that I'm big on skincare. Yes, anything that will make us look the best. In fact, anything that will make you look, the best that you want to look. Trust me, I've got all of that in my channel. All you need to do is watch and try my remedies. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, you're missing out. Join the family, okay? Subscribe, click that red button below and leave your notification on so that you will know when I upload new videos. So, as you can see, there's no makeup on my face except for the lip gloss. It's because I'm about to share you the homemade anti-aging mask. It's not just about the wrinkles and stuff, it's even smoothens and brightens your skin. Don't say, oh, I'm still in my 20s, I don't need it, I'm 18. No matter how young you are, you can use this mask and get your skin looking smooth and beautiful. Then if you're up to 30 and above, trust me, this mask is for you because it's going to get rid of the puffiness around the eyes. It's going to make you look youthful. I'm telling you, if you're 50, you'll start looking 30. Yes, all you need to do is just watch and try them, okay? So let's go ahead and make the mask. First, you need a bowl, then a cucumber. Cucumber is loaded with vitamin C. It's a natural antioxidant. Cucumbers are rich in vitamin A, which is another powerful antioxidant and anti-aging warrior, because vitamin A produces collagen that diminishes wrinkles and lines. It fights acne and improves overall skin health. So, yeah, and when you want to make this mask, if you can, put the cucumber in the fridge. When it's cold, it's better. I just love it when it's cold, especially when you're back on a sunny day. Yeah, if it's cold, it has this cooling effect on the skin when it's applied. So don't grate much. You can even blend it if you want. Then don't grate much. The one that you can use for 5 days is enough. After 5 days, just discard. Okay. This is enough. The second thing that we need is egg white. Egg white tightens the skin and absorbs excess oil from the skin. It also contains vitamins and minerals that benefits skin's overall appearance. Then the third thing is cornstarch. It helps to reduce skin itchiness and it's also used to soothe sunburns. Half tablespoon should be enough, depending on the quantity of the mask that you're making. The last thing is coconut oil. You know that it's very good on the skin because it hydrates and protects the skin. It smoothens the skin too. It minimizes the fine lines and wrinkles. It's also a base for exfoliants. It suits irritated skin and smells good too. I think that's even the most important, the smell too. You need it for the mask. Yeah, so just stir well. Those are the 4 things that you need. Stir thoroughly. So we go over so I can show you how to apply it. Guys, this is it. This is the mask. Make sure that you wash your face before applying this mask. Always wash your face. Your face has to be neat. I told you there's no makeup on my face, but I'm still going to use my wipe and clean my face again. Alright, so this is what I do. It feels good when it's cold, just like I told you, especially on a sunny day when you're back from work or something and you want to apply it at night. If the cucumber is cold, oh my god, you will love it. You will love it. The cooling effect is just so soothing. I'm telling you. Not just the face. Apply it too on your neck. Around your eyes. Yeah, around your eyes. It feels good. It feels good. Then when you're done like this, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash it off. Apply your favorite moisturizer and go to bed. When you wake up in the morning, you will come back to thank me. I've washed it off. When you're done applying this, don't forget to store in your fridge. Make the one that will last you for 5 days. After 5 days, throw the rest away and make a new one. Okay? And please, if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so now. Subscribe and leave your notification on, okay? Join the family. I promise you, you're going to get the best out of this channel. And also like and share this video too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you learned something today. Please take care of yourself, show more kindness anywhere you are, and I'll see you guys soon.